हेलो इंटरनेट। बच्चों, आज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करेंगे पैटर्न्स इन मैथ्स. दिस इज फर्स्ट चैप्टर in class 6. So what are patterns? Patterns in mathematics are predictable repeating arrangements of numbers, shapes or symbols governed by specific rules. So these form fundamental framework of mathematical study, including number theory, algebra, allow us to solve problems, recognize logical relationship, predict future outcomes. So we have a number of patterns. So patterns in number system can be number sequence, it can be geometric patterns, we have Fibonacci pattern, shapes are there. For example, चैप्टर के ऊपर ही देखो एक पैटर्न बना हुआ है. आप सेकंड पैटर्न देखोगे, हाउ मेनी लाइंस आर देयर? 3 lines. When you count second one, there are 7 lines. In next one, there are 11 lines, and last one, 15 lines. You can see the pattern here. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. So such series is known as arithmetic progression. Now, what is maths? Maths in large is search for patterns and for explanation as to why those patterns exist. We have seen a number of examples in schools, we home, schools, motion of sun, moon, and stars. They occur in everything that we do and see. While cooking, shopping, throwing ball, playing games, to understand weather patterns using technology, we use mathematics in terms of patterns. The search for pattern and their explanation can be fun and creative endeavor. So that's why mathematicians think of mathematics both as art as a science also. So with art, patterns, they have related some done some explanation on sciences also. This year, we hope that you will get a chance to see creativity and artistry involved in discovering and understanding mathematical patterns. It is important to keep in mind that mathematics aims to not just find out what patterns exist, but also explanation why they exist. Such explanations can often then be used in applications that is beyond context, but it helped to propel humanity forward. For example, understanding patterns in motion of stars. We see sun, planets move, revolve around. Around planets, moon are there. So they created satellites which led humankind to develop theory of gravitation that all revolve around sun. There is rotation, and this is due to a theory which is known as gravitation. It allows us to launch our own satellites, send rockets to the moon and Mars. Similarly, understanding the patterns in genomes, where it helped in diagnosing and curing diseases, among thousands of other such examples are there. We have symmetries, which are balanced and proportional patterns found in shapes and numbers. In real world examples in nature, the spiral of sunflower, you have seen sunflower. Seeds, pine cones, seashells, these all follow Fibonacci series. Technology and cryptography. The predictability of prime numbers and advanced numerical patterns form foundation of modern cybersecurity and digital encryption. In case of computers, mobiles, you have seen patterns. Now let us do some math talk. And first question is, can you think of other examples where mathematics help us in our daily lives? So we have, you can see budgeting our monthly income, घर में कितना पैसा आ रहा है, कितने expenses है, कितने savings है. It also helps in cooking, scaling recipes up and down involving measurements. खाना बनाना है, 4 लोगों का बनाना है, 5 लोगों का बनाना है, कितना measurement होना चाहिए, इसको scale up and down करना पड़ेगा. Schedule our tasks, time management, construction of home, how much material is required, measuring heart rate in case of health checkups, BP, BMI, body mass index, distance covered while traveling. All these are some real world examples where mathematics help us in our everyday life. Second is, how has mathematics helped propel humanity forward? So we have to give examples involving scientific experiments, calculate planetary orbits, conduct experiments to collect data, raw form, running economy, statistical analysis. It also help in humanity, manage supply chain, what is required, what is the requirement, what is the supply from markets, stock markets, risk management, all these done for humanity advancements, engineering and infrastructure, calculate structural integrity, weight distribution, aerodynamics while making aeroplanes, civil engineering to build bridges, building modern transportation like planes, high-speed trains, digital revolution, manufacturing of mobile phones, computers rely on algorithms, binary logic where we have zeros and ones, cryptography, as already I have told you, time and navigation to create calendars and clocks. All these help in propelling humanity forward. Now let us revise what we have learned today. So we have mathematics is a search for patterns and explanation to why they exist. Patterns can be found in nature, everyday life, and celestial movements. Mathematics, while mathematicians view mathematics as art as well as science, discovering and understanding mathematical patterns can be fun and creative endeavor because it is both artistic and science. Mathematics aims to not just find patterns but explain why they exist. So their application help in advancement of humanity forward. Mathematics help us in everyday life in various ways, such as making scientific discoveries, diagnosing, curing diseases, launching satellites, rockets, and more. Mathematics also propelled humanity forward by aiding in scientific experiments. Already we have done running economy, democracy, building complex structures like bridges, houses, creating technologies, mobile phones using cryptography, binary logic, computers, and transportation vehicles. Number theory is a branch of mathematics that study patterns in whole numbers. Number sequences are the basic and fascinating patterns studied by mathematicians. We have a number of key sequences which we study in maths include Fibonacci series, geometric sequences, arithmetic sequences, and prime numbers. Rest we will do in next class. Thank you.